from Arcestra, our next guest, talking a little bit about the innovating the future of commercial RE leasing. Please welcome Colin Graham. Hey, Colin.
Hey.
How are you?
Very good, thanks.
Good.
How are you?
Thanks for coming on to Conference Live.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's very glad to be here.
We're being watched by tens of millions of people, give or take 10 millions of people. And tell me, what are you guys up to at Arcestra? Well,
at Arcestra, we're busy creating our 3D commercial real estate visualization platform, essentially allowing us and landlords, our customers, to mobilize their real estate. And so we're using our integrated platform, which allows us to manage large amounts of commercial data and stream it to an iPad or mobile devices.
So what's new about what you're offering this year? I mean, besides the fact that we're going on to more mobile platforms, what's new about Arcestra in 2012?
What's new about Arcestra is that we've taken our basic technology, which allowed us to translate 2D, essentially inactive CAD files into interactive 3D. And the difference this year is that we're able to now display this interactively on an iPad.
David, can we get a shot of that? Greg, sorry, can we get a shot of that?
So this
Here,
file
I'll hold that and then you can scroll it.
This file was taken from a 2D file, a CAD file. It was translated automatically by our platform into an interactive 3D file.
Wow.
And if you get a little bit closer, I don't know if your viewers can actually see this, but we've got accurate views of the urban context out the window.
That is amazing.
And this allows us to, and our customers, to interactively showcase their availabilities, even in buildings that aren't currently built, to the market.
I think I zoomed out too.
Double tap and just get back to.
It's really incredible. I mean, you have this 3D model of your floor plan that you can tap in, and now I think I'm in the room.
Yep.
Yep. And how do I?
Just looks like you might have got into.
That is absolutely unbelievable.
You just tap on the room you want to go into.
And what kind of data can I pull up from this model?
Well, the models are composed of parametric objects, and all those objects have metadata attached to them.
Yes.
That metadata can be anything in the form of warranties, when it was purchased, right down to energy use and the Energy Star rating. And the result being that we can track or create a visual representation of what's being called now the Internet of Things. So we allow our customers to be able to view in an interactive fashion on an iPad their real estate. So in a sense, mobilizing real estate.
And what are some of the biggest benefits that your clientele are realizing from moving to this kind of
So
system?
the visual I just showed you, for example, is of a space that was brought to us by a landlord for a potential tenant. A tenant looking for, I think it was about 6 floors of an office building. What we're able to do is very quickly turn around that tenant's particular requirements using their furniture and their design aesthetic, and the landlord's leasing team was able to present that interactively with the tenant. The tenant was able to understand their requirements immediately because a picture tells 1,000 words. They're not lost in the intricacies of a 2D CAD file. And the end result was that the tenant signed a lease for 6 floors, became the lead tenant for that building, which will be announced shortly for construction.
Fantastic. What do you see on the horizon, both for intelligent building design, but also for Arcestra?
On the horizon, from an intelligent buildings perspective, because we allow our customers to manage and track every object in the scene, we become the interactive 3D visualization of this Internet of Things that is becoming a bit of a buzz around, at least at this event. And,
wow.
So we see a tremendous future for Arcestra in helping bring together in a visual way all this data that even your previous speaker was talking about at Microsoft.
It's truly fantastic. Thank you so much for being here on Conference Live.
Thank you very much for your time.
Appreciate it, Colin. And they can check us out on the web, check you out on the web at arcestra.com.
That's right.
Thank you very much.